Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to join Spotify Duo plan. So guys, first thing that you will do is to make sure you have the latest version of the Spotify and then download the application and then create an account. And after doing that guys, you go ahead and go to your Spotify application. And then from here, guys, go to the left corner of the screen, which is your profile, and then go to the settings and privacy, guys. And then from here, as you can see, you can view your plan. And from here, just click on view your plan. And after that, guys, you will have your various option. So just simply tap on Premium Duo and tap Get Premium. And from here, guys, it will redirect you to the payment method. So you will have various option here to pay for the Duo plan. As you can see, we have Spotify and Google Play. And from here, just provide the necessary information. And once you have pay for your Duo plan, you'll be able to invite someone or your friend. Just provide their email, and then from there you'll be able to invite them, and you'll be able to have a premium Duo plan. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching guys. See ya.